Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share the stock portfolio tracker that I use to manage and track my stock investment. This stock portfolio tracker is designed to monitor the performance of your overall portfolio as well as individual stock. It allows you to view the allocation percentage for each stock, industry and sector, helping you understand how your invested capital is distributed. You will be able to monitor unrealized P&L for each individual stock and see the top 10 stock by market value, so you can easily identify the best performers. This tracker is suitable for investors who buy and hold stock for long-term investing. Now let me show you step by step how to use this stock portfolio tracker. First, go to the transaction tab to input your initial deposit under the cash deposit or withdrawal history. Enter the date you deposited the money. Select deposit under the action column and enter the total deposit amount. If you withdraw money from the account, select withdraw under the action column and enter the withdrawal amount. Remember to include a minus sign in front of the amount. Next, go to the stock buy or sell transaction history section to input your stock transaction. Enter the date, input the stock ticker, select buy or sell from the drop-down list and enter the quantity of shares purchased or sold. If you sell the stock, remember to put a minus sign in front of the quantity. Then enter the stock price followed by commission amount. The amount column will automatically calculate the total cost of purchasing the stock or the proceeds from selling it. A negative amount indicates a cash outflow when buying, while a positive amount indicates a cash inflow when selling. If you receive dividends while holding a stock, go to the Dividend Tracker tab to record the dividend transactions. Enter the date you received the dividend, the stock ticker, select dividend under the action column, input the number of shares entitled to the dividend per share, and the withholding tax. The total column will automatically calculate the total dividend received after tax. Once dividend transactions are entered, the table on the right will display each stock that has paid dividends and the total dividend received for each one. The pie chart on the left shows the dividend distribution percentage by stock, helping you identify which stocks contribute the most to your dividend income. The total dividend income is displayed at the top. Next, go to the ticker overview tab to analyze individual stocks you have purchased. Simply select a stock ticker from the drop-down list, and you will see an overview including the current price, daily changes in percentage, market cap, P ratio, earnings per share, sector, and industry. This section also shows your position summary including total shares, average cost per share, total cost basis, market value, unrealized P&L percentage, and dividend received. Below you will find the complete buy or sell and dividend transaction history for the selected stock. The charts on the top display the timeline of buy and sell transactions, showing shares quantities and prices. The dividend chart below shows dividend payments over time, allowing you to visualize dividend trends. If you want to review stocks you have fully closed, go to the close position tab. This tab provides an overview of stocks that are no longer in your portfolio, showing the total realized P&L percentage, and the hypothetical P&L if you had continued holding the position until today. Now let's move on to the dashboard tab for an overall portfolio overview. On the left, you will see key portfolio metrics such as total portfolio value, total invested capital, unrealized P&L, total return percentage, available cash, and cash dividends received. On the right, the industry allocation pie chart shows how your portfolio is distributed by industry, while the portfolio allocation charts display the percentage allocation of each stock. The sector allocation chart highlights which sector make out the largest portion of your portfolio. As stock values change over time, these allocation percentages update automatically. Scrolling down, the table displays the top 10 stocks by market value, ranked from the highest to 10. The charts on the right compares each stock cost basis and unrealized P&L, allowing you to quickly assess performance. In the portfolio value by year table, you can manually enter your year-end portfolio value. The year is displayed automatically and the total dividend received for each year are calculated for you. The charts above visualize portfolio growth and dividend income over time. At the bottom, you will find a detailed table listing all stocks in your portfolio, including last price, position size, cost basis, average cost, market value, unrealized P&L and percentage, industry and sector. If any stock is missing industry or sector data, simply go to the stock list and enter the information manually. Next, the Allocation Planner tab helps you plan how much capital to allocate to each stock category. Enter the number of allocations you want in your portfolio. For example, if you have deposited 18,000 and want 12 allocation, the tracker will automatically calculate the amount per allocation. Enter a category name for each allocation and select out to 5 stocks per category from the drop-down list. The tracker will indicate whether each category is over-allocated or under-allocated, green for under-allocated and red for over-allocated. The Stock Price Performance tab allows you to compare the performance of a stock in your portfolio with another stock. Simply enter a start date, select your portfolio stock from the drop-down list, and enter a comparison stock ticker. The table below lists all portfolio stocks along with their year-to-date returns and annualized return percentages, helping you identify long-term top performers. Finally, the Watchlist tab lets you track out to 5 buying points for each stock. Enter the stock ticker and your desired buying point. When the current price reach or fall below your buying point, the cell will turn green to alert you. You can also enter the intrinsic value of a stock, and the discount or premium column will automatically indicate whether the stock is undervalued or overvalued, shown in green or red along with the percentage difference. So that's how I use this portfolio tracker to manage my stock investment. It's especially useful for long-term investors who want to monitor portfolio allocation, track individual stock performance, and keep records of dividend income. Thanks for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description or comment section to learn more about this stock portfolio tracker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.